Myself, Jefrin from the Department of Commerce, St. Albert's College Autonomous, Ernakulam. So in this session, we will be dealing with the definition of accounting. According to AICPA, American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, it's an institute similar to that of our Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. The definition is accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So accounting is the art. What is meant by an art? Art is something which we require a specialized skill, knowledge and practice. And accounting is a subject which requires specialized skill, knowledge and practice. Hope you know that. I am emphasizing on the practice. Hope you know that. A singer who sings well would have practiced for many years. So such a way, if you want to become a good student of accounting, you need to practice well. So accounting is the art of recording. Recording, you know that. We are recording something to review it later. Right now, I am recording this video. Or you can record your voices. We can hear that voice later. You can review this video later. Same way, recording. What we are recording? We are recording the transactions as well as some of the events. So we are recording. And when it comes to accounting, we will be recording it in a specific format. And we will be recording it in a specific place. The book in which we record is known as the journal. The book in which we record the accounting transactions are known as journal. So there we will be recording it with the help of double entry principle, where we record it as debit and credit. From there, we will be classifying it into certain tables. And that's the reason we are having this classifying. The tables which we classify is known as ledger. So the transactions have been recorded initially in the journal. From the journal, we will be preparing the ledger. The process of writing a ledger from the journal is known as posting. So what is the work of an accountant? The accountant's duty is to record the transactions, and meanwhile he needs to post it into the ledger. He must be doing that, prepare that table also. And when the year ends, that is, as you know that the accountant's year starts from the 1st April and it ends on 31st March. And when the year ends, that is on the 31st March, he will be closing all these ledgers. He will be closing all these ledgers and he will be taking the balances and preparing a summary of what had happened in that year, that particular year. That is known as summarizing, and the summary is known as trial balance. That summary is known as trial balance. In a significant manner, so we all know that there are certain format for doing all this. We have some principle for doing this. We have some formats for preparing all this. So in a significant manner and in terms of money, we will be writing the transactions in currency. It can be in dollars, it can be in rupee, or whatever the currency, or in which country are you from, you could do like that. And which are in part at least of financial character. Here we are recording all the financial character or the items which are having a financial nature. For example, if the employees of the company, they are doing some kind of social work where the company is not incurring any expenses, or the company is not having any financial liability. In that case, we won't be recording that transaction over here. We will be recording only those aspects which has got a financial nature and interpreting the results thereof. Here we are preparing the balance sheet and profit and loss account, or ultimately we call it as financial statements. I'm just writing it as FS, financial statements. So with the financial statements, we will be having profit and loss account and the balance sheet. From the profit and loss account, we will be getting the whether the company or whether the business is running in a profit or loss, and with the balance sheet we will be getting the financial position of the business or the firm. That's all with the definition of accounting. Thank you.